outside. We outside, man. Oh my goodness, what is that? It's eating some, y'all. I done caught him in action. Look at the back of that. Is it pregnant, y'all? What kind of spider is that and what is it doing, y'all? What is it eating? This crazy, y'all. What is that? Somebody please tell me what this is. Please. Like, do I need to knock it down? Or what? Look at this crap, man. It's climbing up, man. Go. Look at that crap, man. You know I got my bottle with me. Where is it, y'all? Oh, it's still getting it. What is that? It's wrapping it up, whatever it is, bro. That ain't the same thing that was over here, was it? Cause it was something. I don't know what that is. I don't know, man. As long as it ain't like, look at the web on it, man. Damn. But yeah, as long as it don't. No, we don't make no babies in them, man. We should be straight, you know? That's a big old spider, y'all. It's been living right here for about a couple weeks now. Look at the back of it. What is that? It got to be poisonous. Come on. Well, let's check out these other little spiders, man. You know, we stay in, this called Spiderville. Come through here and get Spiderville, spider action. Oh, what that is? Nothing. Oh, we got action. Bro, these two spiders haven't moved, bro. Somebody please tell me the name of these spiders, bro.